Hi guys, so today I'm going to be working on a sign I'm going to cut out. I printed out 2 different pages of my logo. I snapshotted one side and then I snapshotted the other side and printed the 2 pieces out and taped them together. So what I'm going to do is, like I always do, we're going to tape this. I'm going to cut the excess paper off of this. Then we're going to glue that onto here and we're going to cut it out. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got everything all cut out. I did not record cutting out the letters because it was so intricate and it took so much time that I just decided not to do that. So I cut those out off camera, and everything else I cut out on camera for the most part. I got the Pinterest logo, YouTube, Instagram, my logo. So I got everything all cut out and untaped. I'm going to peel the tape off of these real quick, and then we'll sand them and we'll glue them down. Alright, so today I got a couple different stickers here. I have Desert Custom Creations and Plumb Bob Rob. I'm going to put these two on my sticker board, and I'm going to put this one right on my pressure pot. I want to thank you guys for sending me stickers, and I want to thank the owner of the Pine Tree. It was the restaurant that I hung my sign up. I want to thank him for hanging up my sign. It really does mean a lot to me. It's a cool little restaurant. If you're around the area, it's up in Birmingham, New York, so if you're around the area, go check that place out. It's a really cool little bar and restaurant. And yeah, I hope to see you guys on another video. See you later. So it's been a while since the last time I put stickers on the sticker board. It has taken a couple weeks before I got around to editing this video. So real quick, I want to give these guys some shout outs. I have Nerdy Girl Mechanic. I'm going to put this one on the sticker board and that one on the pressure pot, and that one I'm just going to save. I have the Plumber Lorian. I won his sticker giveaway. I actually do plan on giving him a sticker of mine once I get some more in, so I'll have to do that for you, bud. And I also have Mountain Rottie Rescue. I went through my room and found this sticker, and I thought it would be cool to post it on my sticker board. They didn't send me this sticker. I just bought it a while back, and I found it recently, but I thought it would be cool to show my support and throw it on my sticker board. So let's get to it. Alright, thank you guys so much for the stickers and for watching. We'll see you on next week's video. Bye-bye.